Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, we're gonna talk about number one, why you need to always focus on the technicals and get the noise up out of here. And also how market makers are liquidating your money, right? And your accounts, all right? Now, I feel kind of sad for the newbies out there because I know what I just saw is absolutely criminal. Okay, what just happened in the market. Now the market pumped in an insane way the last 20 minutes of the market. I'm making this video at the very end of the market. Okay, I'm making this video in the last 10 minutes of the market, right? I was gonna make a different video, but when I saw this happen, I said I got to talk about this. Okay, so understand that nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to talk to a licensed financial advisor, okay? Now, with that being said, y'all, the market is gonna put you to sleep, okay? That's what's gonna happen. Now, if you don't know how to read the charts, you're going to get absolutely obliterated, okay? Because you're gonna pay attention to the news, and the news is a manipulation in and of itself, okay? So, with that being said, y'all, what happened today? Now, first things first, I told you guys on the masterclass, I said 1 in 3 trades, close your laptop, be done for the day, right? I took IWM earlier in the day. I was at the gym. I took profits at the gym, right? I knew where the stock was going, took profits. I was done. I got in the trade at the house, took profits at the gym, okay? Let it do what it do, boom, right? Easy money. Now, and that was just one trade. So the thing about it is, you guys, you got to understand how this game go. They're going to put you guys to sleep. They're going to put the market to sleep. They're going to put retail traders to sleep. And when you least expect it, what they going to do? They're going to make the stocks make a crazy move. And it's always going to be a catalyst that you wasn't expecting. It's going to be the opposite of what you were expecting to happen, okay? So let me break this down for you guys. The market been coming down, right? So you already know what's happening. Analysts, everybody is talking about a market crash, okay? So what do you think that's going to do? That's going to make everybody think about what? Getting into puts. So today, stocks come up a little bit. What do? They fill the gaps. Then they come down, they reject. Now you got people entering into puts. And in the last 30 minutes of the market, every stock has a boner candle. Okay? Every stock has a boner candle. So I know that people that got into puts are absolutely sick right now, because they were not expecting the catalyst of the news, AKA, DJT, to say the war is about to be over. Now everybody going up. Now let me give you guys a couple things to pay attention to. This is why you need to always pay attention to the technical analysis, okay? Technical analysis is gonna help you from all of the stuff that you're hearing about. This is why people get cooked in the market, because they enter into a trade or they think that a stock is going to be going down off of what they hear in the world, the news, but technical analysis says it's going up. So let me give you guys an example, okay? Let me give you all an example of exactly what I'm saying right here, right? So right here, we got what? We got Google, okay? Now yesterday on Sunday's video, what did I say? I said we got a double bottom right here, right? I said we got a double bottom right here. Okay? Look at this. This is a demand zone. The market gap down. They open at 294. Look where they're at, yo. 306. Technical analysis is telling me that this stock is going up. Right? But the news is saying that this is about to come down. If Google would have lost this level right here, Google is in a serious problem. Okay. Let's go to IWM on a daily. Look at IWM, y'all. Where is it at? It's at an order block. Okay. It's at an order block. What did I tell you guys yesterday? I said area of liquidity, buyers are camping out. I told you guys this yesterday, right? Between 239 and 245. What did it do? It opened at 247. It came all the way down to 244. And in pre-market, it did hit 242. Okay? In pre-market, it did hit 242 and it came up. So we had an area of liquidity in this area. Look, area of liquidity right there as well. Okay? So buyers were camping out in this area. So that is why IWM is crazy, right? And it had two gaps to fill to the upside, right? Doesn't matter the stock. All stocks are going absolutely insane right now, right? Why is this? Because DJT said that the war might be over. But the technicals let you know what was going on before anyway. I told you guys about the buyers sitting in this area on IWM yesterday. I gave you guys the whole play. Okay, I gave y'all the whole play, right? I gave you guys everything. Okay, I gave you guys this area right here, right? Told you about the gaps, right? Gave you guys the Google setup as well, right? Where is Apple at? I gave you guys Apple yesterday also. Let's look at Apple, bullish engulfing right here, okay? Look what's going on with Apple. I told y'all, triple bottom right here, area of liquidity. Now look what happened. They came down, buyer stepped in and pushed it right back up. The market is going to put you to sleep, y'all. That's what they're going to do. The market is going to put you to sleep. It's going to make you think that it's going to do one thing. It's going to do that thing for a couple days, maybe even a week and a half, right? It's going to be very dramatic. And then out of nowhere, there's going to be some type of news that supports the technical analysis, and it's going to go in a direction that the charts are telling you. I've seen this over and over at this point in time, right? You are not smarter than the charts, right? Follow the charts. You follow the money, you make the money. Don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. I know that there's people that was revenge trading today because they already lost money. They was in some puts, and then all these boner candles happened, and now they sick. I already know. This is why I say, get your money, make your money, and do your thing, right? The market is going to put you to sleep, then make the move, and you're going to miss the move, then you're going to chase the move, and then it's going to go in the opposite direction, then you're going to get cooked on that move, then you're going to get out that trade, lose money, and then it's going to go in your original direction anyways, because it just had to retrace, right? The market is no place for emotions, okay? There's no place for emotions in the market, y'all. Pay attention to the technicals. Stop worrying about what the news is saying. Because here's another thing, right? As I've been following this whole Middle East thing, right? Yes, oil prices have been going up. But every time that oil prices gap up, they sell right off. Or in pre-market, they're selling off, right? That's a sign right there, okay? That's a sign right there. And then also, I haven't heard about any troops going to the Middle East, going to Iran. When 9/11 came, all we was hearing about was the troops going into Iran. Now, when 9/11 hit, I was a kid, right? But my mom and my dad, they always had the news on. I was always hearing about the military going to the Middle East. I ain't been hearing about no military going to the Middle East. So you got to ask yourself, if the military is not getting involved, how serious is this war? And then now DJT says the war may be over. And then look how the market responds. You need to understand who you're dealing with here. Okay? You're dealing with a capitalist who's trying to make the market go up and down so he could always look like the savior when the market goes up. You need to understand who you're dealing with here. right? The volatility is absolutely insane. The gap ups and the gap downs are absolutely crazy, y'all. Okay? So you need to understand the game that you are playing, right? If you got cooked today, at the end of the day, and you was in puts like a roasted chicken, then you need to come and join the Discord so you could learn how to not get cooked like that, right? It sounds funny, but I'm being so serious. You should be able to be done within 90 minutes of the market being open, going about your day. Because why do you want to sit and trade all day? You don't want to do that. 60 to 90 minutes, be done. Going about your day. There's more things to do rather than watching these charts all day, y'all. I cannot stress this enough. But this is how the market makers and DJT are liquidating trading accounts every day, right? They're playing games, y'all. You got to be smarter than the game that's here, right? You got to learn the rules to the game that you're playing. If you don't, you will be charbroiled rotisserie chicken. Okay? So, with that being said, y'all, if y'all want to come trade with us, click the link in the description. Come join the Discord. All right? We be in and out of the market. We get money every day. We made money this morning with IWM before any of this crazy stuff happened. Right? We was already good. All right? So like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? Also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day, man. Y'all stay smooth. Peace.